In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money to your bank account from Revolut. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up the Revolut app, and once you have it open, we can look at the bottom of the screen and look for those 5 different options. Now, by default, you'll be on the home page, which is the one in the bottom left. However, if we look at the bottom middle, we'll be able to find this Payments tab. From here, in order to actually transfer money to our bank account, we can go to the top right corner and click that plus symbol. That will then open up this page and it will show you all the ways in which you can send money. But since we're trying to transfer to a bank account, we're going to go to the second option down, which is Bank Recipient. From there, you'll then be taken to this page where you can start entering your account details. And the first thing you want to do is choose the country or region of your bank account. And since I've got mine set to the UK, it's going to ask me for the sort code, the account number, as well as a first and last name. However, if you're from the United States, you obviously wanted to set the country to United States. And from there, it's going to ask for US banking information, such as the account number, routing number, and also your first and last name. From there, you'll be able to select your bank account and you can actually go to the bottom right corner and click send. You can then choose how much you want to send to your bank account and then you can click that blue send button to finalize the transaction. So that's how you can transfer money to your bank account from Revolut. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.